Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone model and the exact iOS version you want. Compatibility matters. Once confirmed, back up your data to iCloud or to a computer via iTunes so you can restore if needed. Make sure your battery is at least 50% or plug into power and free 510 GB of storage. Connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This prevents mid-update interruptions, and it ensures the installer has room to extract and apply the update. You open Settings, navigate to General, then Software Update. If you see Customize updates, disable Automatic Beta or Minor updates so you can pick the exact build. Once you select the specific iOS version, tap Download and wait as the system verifies the package. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on size. After verification, tap Install, the phone will prepare files, ask for your passcode, and reboot automatically to apply the update, which is expected and normal. You finish by checking Settings General about to confirm the new build number. This verifies success. If data appears missing, restore your backup from iCloud or via iTunes/Finder. Make sure to use the backup created before the update. If the install failed or the device is stuck, put the iPhone into recovery or DFU mode and connect to a computer to reinstall the chosen iOS. This often resolves corruption. One tip: avoid repeated wireless retries. Use a wired connection for reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.